Hi, my name is Andres Ocon and I am the president of Servpro of Pompano Beach. We are the industry leader when it comes to water, fire, biohazard, and mold remediation services. And this day and age, we are also providing coronavirus cleanup services. We have the finest chemicals that are produced by Servpro. They are organic, they're safe for humans and for pets as well. And one of the things we do is we provide these services for residential and commercial clients. I also wanted to point out that we team up with the best professionals in the industry, and that is why we are here today with Contractors Prep School, because they produce the finest professionals in the construction industry. If you're interested in finding more about our services, please call us at 954-970-4942 or look us up on the website, servpropompanobeach.com. Thank you.